Hi, this is Design G. Welcome to HTML tutorial for beginner course. In this course, you will learn how to handle HTML and learn its syntax and semantics. The essential purpose of this course is learning HTML to make your own website. Of course, you should learn CSS and JavaScript as well to make looking great website, but no worry, we will also handle how to use the other programs. HTML looks really complicated, but I'm sure that you can finish within 1 week, I believe, so don't hesitate to learn HTML with me. Let's briefly talk about what HTML is. As I told you before, if you want to become a web designer, you needed to learn at least 3 core languages of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML provides the essential structure for a web page. CSS controls how a page looks like. JavaScript controls how it behaves. HTML is a well-structured written document. To be specific, HTML has all content that you want to post in your blog. The special thing that you should think about is a tag system. All content needed to be with or within the tag system. For example, a p tag identifies the content as a paragraph. If you want to put a paragraph in your website, you should put the text in p tag. For another example, a h1 tag identifies the content as a first heading text. Again, if you want to put header text on the top, you should put the title text into the h1 tag. By knowing the rules of how tags work together and which tags to use, it's really simple to author an HTML page. I believe that you learned what HTML is today. Let's get into the next lecture, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the notification button. Thank you.